In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and customize the File tab in Outlook. Whether you're new to Outlook or just looking to make things a bit more user-friendly, I've got you covered with this step-by-step guide. So let's dive in and explore how you can personalize your Outlook experience. First things first, you need to head over to the Microsoft Outlook page. This is where all the magic happens, and it all begins by getting logged into your account. Once you're on the page, the next step is to click the Sign In button, which is typically located prominently for easy access. Now, it's time to enter your login details. Type in your email and password on the Sign In page, take a deep breath, and then go ahead and click Next. If you've entered everything correctly, this will lead you straight to your Outlook dashboard, your central hub for all things email. Once you're in the dashboard, your journey to customization begins. I want you to focus your attention on the top corner of your screen. What you're looking for here is an option labeled View. Clicking this will open up a whole new range of possibilities for organizing your Outlook workspace. Now, here's where things get a little bit interesting and where you'll start to see the real potential for customization. On the right corner of the view section, there's a set of 3 dots. This is an important step, so don't overlook it. Clicking on those 3 dots will open up a menu that may not seem like much at first, but it's actually your gateway to a host of customizable options. Within this menu, there's an option labeled Customize. Selecting this will allow you to tailor your Outlook tabs to better suit your needs. Here, you're given the freedom to reposition tabs, add new functionalities, and really make Outlook work for you. For some, exploring these options might be a bit daunting at first glance, but don't let that intimidate you. Take your time and try out a few different configurations. To make the most out of these customization features, consider what functions you frequently use or what you might need at your fingertips for optimal efficiency. Once you're satisfied, your customized tabs will not only make navigation easier, but also make your daily email management tasks a bit more enjoyable and less time-consuming. And there you have it. Simple steps to not only find but also customize your File tab and more in Outlook to create the ideal setup that fits your workflow. Mastering these small yet impactful changes can make all the difference in staying organized and in control of your digital communications. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to look out for more tips to enhance your Outlook experience.